Okay, now for example, if you are already you worked as associate consultant in 3-4 years, and senior consultant 6 years, like that, and you're already working as a module lead somewhere in 6-7 years point of time. Module lead means already based on your project size, you may have 5 people, 5 SAP MM people you are leading, or 4 SAP MM people you're already leading. So when you're leading the 4-5 MM consultants, you will work for I can say here itself it will be starting I think we are giving some color, right? I think from this stage itself you will have a flavor of management. Okay, so module lead itself, you will do 40% or 30% only you will do technical things, where when the team is stuck in some serious issues, you are going to do it. Sometimes what happens, the senior consultant only will become a module lead. Okay, I'm just giving you to understand, because I worked for 15 plus projects, and we have seen different kind of mechanisms, different kind of hierarchies. I cannot say generic way, just for your understanding. So senior consultant and module lead can be both, will become same. So here module leads, the stream wise they can put it, one module lead will take care about those things. So once from this stage, your technical will become less. I'm giving this different color because less technical. Just wanted to convey that one. Module lead may have 40%, 30% technical, and 60%, because he has a team of 8 people or 7 people, so he has to manage their work, their leaves, and if they have someone is suddenly leave, then how to segregate the work to other person, all those things he will take it. Coming to the team lead can be for SAP MM, SD, FI, for all those people. So the under team lead, maybe 20 people or 15 people or 12 people will be working. So the team lead, almost 10% is SAP. The team lead may not log in SAP once in a week also, not 10%, I can say 5%. Okay, so here you will see 100% SAP. Maybe I will just try to give here SAP usage. These percentages are not derived based on some 2 by 10 or 10 by 2 equals to 5. I cannot say directly, just for your understanding only I'm trying to make it some percentage. So what I want to convey is, when you join as SAP MM Associate Consultant, your work is mostly within SAP, user manuals or configuration or issue fixing, whatever you do. And SAP MM Consultant means maybe 2% why I have given. Sometimes you may have tracking who have joined and how many consultants are joined, what trainings we are giving. Maybe you will have some little bit other work. Okay. So senior consultant also still with SAP, but still he has to manage some people, right? So I gave some 10% less. When it become module lead, like I mentioned, already you have 6 people or 8 people or 10 people MM consultants under you. So managing their work, maintaining their tracking, whose performance, who's if you are a support project, how many SLAs, whose performance is very good, who is getting good feedback from the client, collecting those things and preparing the reports. What is this month SLA, sending to the team lead or project manager. Few companies what will be there, they may not have team lead, directly project manager will be there. There is no rule that you should follow this one. There will be common MM module lead, senior consultant can be same, and project manager directly, no more team lead. Okay, just for you, the terms you will be getting understanding. When it comes to project manager, I don't think they will see any SAP login anytime. Okay, maybe sometime they may check it for any other verification. Senior manager means they will be purely into PowerPoint and Power BI reporting, all those stuff. Okay, so the delivery manager is, senior manager will handle 2-3 project managers at the same time. This delivery manager means maybe 10 projects or 6 projects will come under him. Okay, so the delivery manager, it's a purely managing the project, cost, people, on time delivery, customer satisfaction, okay, CSI, customer satisfaction index, all the PPTs, that area only will be there. Okay, so mostly you can work at around, when it comes to this 10 plus 1 and all, number of people, not years of experience. Okay, anyway, associate cannot be 20 plus. These are all number of people. Okay, maybe if someone is getting here, I got idea suddenly. This is number of people. Experiences I cannot say, because when you are getting senior consultant of 4 years, 6 years, even before senior consultant at SAP MM consultant only, in 4 or 5 years of experience, you are very good, your family background, mostly into some kind of business or politics or whatever, you have already good managing things, and from college onwards you are active team player, and you are active leading team for any kind of cultural activities and all. At 4-5 years of experience itself, you can do any executive MBA kind of things you can plan, or you can do a PMP certification. No need to cross all these steps. Directly from SAP MM consultant, you can tell your project manager, I wanted to lead the team. Okay, I have this much experience, I have this is my interest and all. Even you can utilize the opportunities whenever there is an opportunity to talk, whenever opportunity to showcase, you can do it directly from MM consultant to you can go for a team lead. Okay, so 11 years experience, I am not doing project management and all. I know few people 6 years they would have become, and few people think, but I am successful in my area as an identity, content creation, and doing more than 7 to 8 implementation projects. Okay, and working for different other implementations as part of certain activities. So these are all my enjoying areas. So 11 years I'm still happy as a SAP consultant. Still I wanted to continue for 4 years at least with this similar kind of a thing. So you need to question, Ganesh has become 11 years still SAP consultant and earning good and happy, everything. So everyone cannot be happy. At 11 years they may not have that identity. We got a lot of energy from YouTube, Udemy and all those stuff. They may focus only on the consultant, and so they may not have the proper growth in their financially or position wise. So they want to go for either a big team lead, or they want to go for a project manager, because that is their wish, but they are not getting. So all hands are not in our hands, all 5 fingers are not equal, right? So you need to find out what is your enjoyment and all.